Hello everyone, in this video we are going to design the board outline on the PCB. So a board outline, also called the KiCad layer in KiCad, define the physical boundary of your PCB. It makes the shape, dimension and mounting hole. So we need to prepare with our component. So click on here, press A, gonna move it to here, and then click here again, press A, I'm gonna move it to here, click here. So I'm gonna have the input 12 volt. So here 3.3 volt. So it look like so messy. I'm gonna hide it. Look at the right side. Find the fab. Let's click. So it look too clear now. And let's click again. Move it to here. And gonna move to here. Let's click and then I'm gonna move it to here. And let's click, right click, find the align. So escape. So now let's go quickly to make the outline on a PCB board. So look at the right side, find the KiCad. It is the outline to make the shape of the board. So let's click, and I'm gonna click the rectangle. Let's click. So gonna move mouse to here. So let's click again. Then let's click again. Escape. So now let's click on the outline and then right click. So find the shape modification and click on fearless line. So I'm gonna have 3 millimeter. Click OK. So as you can see now, for the 3D viewer, click on here. Click on here. So it look good enough.